Okay, I got a long strap here with a couple hooks put on the back, and I'm going to stretch this out. And then my system that seems to be the easiest is going to lay these branches right about here. I cut them all to a weight that I can actually lift easily and throw. This one's a little bigger. Okay, I'll stop. That's enough branches, so what I'm going to do, I've tried a bunch of ways to winch all this. I found the best thing to do, just make a loop, come around, take one of these off, pull it through the loop, and back on. And as I take off, they'll cinch down and pull it. Take off slowly. Okay, now just take it apart and not a lot of unwrapping to do, just pull it back through the loop. Yeah, you can grab these. It'd be 2 years ago where we drug one branch at a time all the way from the back. Since their city's picking it all up, I don't have to cut it down. So there's 2023, about half of it so far. I have a much bigger load this time. It's amazing how much ice came off these branches. Look at that. And if you lay these on top of each other in some sort of order, when you bring them to the destination, you can pull them apart easier. If they're all mumbo jumbo together, it just makes more work when you're trying to unload it. Unless you're in a position where you can just drive up and pull the strap off and lead it up, I'm having to put everything onto the grass for the city to pick up in a couple weeks. Some people didn't have much come down. House on the left didn't have hardly any oak or cedar elm damage. Just, I guess that's, I don't know what that tree is, ash or maple. When we got closer in here, damage started to build up. Both cedar elm, but mostly oak. Those are about 4 to 5 feet high piles, and then we move into 8 to 10 feet. That's us. That's a lot of hauling. Comes back into the yard about 10 feet